Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup WhatsApp to Google Drive. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open your smartphone and locate the WhatsApp application. Tap on the WhatsApp icon to launch the app. Once the app is open, navigate to the top right corner of the screen. You will see 3 vertical dots. Tap on them to access the menu. Select Settings from the drop-down options. In the Settings menu, tap on Chats. Scroll down to find the Chat Backup option and select it. On the Chat Backup screen, you will see the Backup to Google Drive option. Tap on this option to choose your backup frequency. You can select from Never, Only When I Tap Backup, Daily, Weekly, or Monthly. If you haven't linked a Google account, tap on Add Account and follow the prompts to sign in. Once you have selected your account, return to the Backup to Google Drive screen. You can now tap on the Backup button to start the backup process immediately. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, to avoid data charges. You may also want to enable the option to include videos in your backup. This can be done by toggling the Include Videos switch. After your backup is complete, you will see the last backup date and time displayed. You now have a secure backup of your WhatsApp chats on Google Drive. Feel free to repeat this process regularly to keep your data updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.